If you are using the latest update of TikTok, you can change the text size in the app by adjusting either its TikTok setting or your phone system setting as well. So here is how to do it through TikTok. First of all, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your TikTok account. After you are logged in, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your profile. Now, once in the profile, tap on the three-line menu in the top right corner. Now tap on the settings and privacy. From there, scroll down and tap on the accessibility option available there. Inside accessibility, you will get to see text size. Tap on it. Inside text size, you can see slider option available for the bigger text and the smaller text. Choose any according to your preferences and adjust the text size if the option exists. Then tap on the done or similar option available there and it will be done. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.